Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, so today I have just read a comment for our previous video regarding my tutorial about setting up a hMail server for your local email provider or for your own email in your own LAN network. So in that video, I did not tackle much about setting up or configuring the Outlook client email program. It's because I was trying to limit that video tutorial for 10 minutes only. So now I'm going to show you how to configure your email client like an Outlook to use or to set up the email address that is from your local hMail server. So right now, as you can see, I have few email addresses here added to my Outlook client. But we're going to create a new email on hMailServer, and I'm going to add it here. And then we're going to test and send an email to that email address, and we're going to try and use that email address to reply back to the sender. Okay, to do that, let's go first to our email server. So here we have the email server already set up. If you wish to find out how I set up the email server, the link of the video for that tutorial is in the description box below. So right now I'm going to create a new email address for this tutorial. So I'm just going to click one of our domain, and I'm going to click the add button. So here you have the text box for adding the new email address. So I'm just going to write down testing. So we will have the testing tangointranet.com.pg, and you're going to leave everything as is, and except for the password. So let's just put 12345 as the password, and then save it. And let's look for our email address. Here, this is the new email address that we have just created. So let's minimize this server, and now we're going to add that to our client Outlook. To do that, I'm just going to press start and type control panel and go to Mail Microsoft Outlook 32-bit. So now that this mail setup window has opened, click the email accounts and click new. It will present you these choices, the automatic and the manual. So let's go ahead and select the manual setup and click next. Let's go ahead and select POP or IMAP. This is the settings or the advanced setup for POP. Click next, and there you go, we have the add account form. So here I'm just going to name this person as the test person, and the email address was the testing@tangointranet.com.pg. Now to add the server's IP address or its name, if your network has this DNS server, then you can type in the name of the computer. But I'm just going to type the email address of the local IP in our LAN. So I just blurred out the last number of the IP address, so that, I don't know, just for security reason. That's for the incoming mail server. For outgoing, you can type the same. Then for the username, leave that. You can write the email address, write it down here, and the password. So the password that we have created is 123456. Then here in the more settings, click it, go to outgoing server and tick this. My outgoing server requires authentication. And just select the use same settings as my incoming mail server. Click advanced. We didn't set up a security certificate, so let's just leave this as is. In the future, I'm going to create a video for creating a certificate for that email address. So untick the remove from server and have this option ticked, and then click OK. Now we can click the test account settings. So as you can see, it has already sent and received the email testing. Click close, click next, and it will also do the test again. It says congratulations, so everything is set. Click finish and click close. Now you can see our new email address. If we press F9, it's going to download the Microsoft Outlook settings or the notification testing here. So it means this email address that we have created and set up in the Outlook is now working. So I'm going to try now to send an email to my other email address, Glenn. And let's just put testing. Test email. Hi, Glenn. This is let's click send. If you click the sent items, you'll see that it has already sent the email. If we now go to my own personal email, intranet email, and click the inbox, I'm going to refresh it. Okay, here. Now it is showing in my inbox, and now I can reply. Click reply and then hi testing email and click send. Now let's go back to our testing email and hit refresh. In my keyboard, the refresh for Outlook is F9. So here we have received the email from my other intranet email. Click it and there you go. So that's how easy it is to set up an email address from the hMailServer in your own network. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.